Global recognition. Hanlixn. Since 1979, Hanlixn has specialized in wire hooks. Hanlixn is mainly an OEM/ODM manufacturer. Their facilities, both in Taiwan and in China, are well operated by highly qualified staff and skillful labor. The shop floor is well equipped with all kinds of testing equipment and advanced machinery. Now, Hanlixn is one of the leading wire hook manufacturers in Taiwan and China. The offerings have been extended to 5,000 products in a wide variety of categories, which make Hanlixn a one-stop shop. In addition, Hanlixn has exploited its long years of experience and industry savvy to develop a series of snap suction hooks, along with kitchen and bathroom rails and racks to help organize these hubs of the household for most modern families. Hanlixn's mission is to continually improve our products and services to meet our customers' needs and to improve the long-term economic well-being and quality of life for all of our stakeholders. Customers rank at the top of the stakeholders. Innovation, manufacturing, and delivery. The best way for companies today to achieve a competitive advantage is through innovation. Invention is the creation of a new concept. Innovation is reducing that concept to practice and making it a commercial success. Hanlixn is mainly an OEM/ODM manufacturer. With their years of industry savvy, they can readily implement business partners and customers' concepts. Wire hooks, pegboard hooks, coat and hat hooks, art and picture hangers, fasteners, drywall anchors, suction hooks, magnet hooks, door and window hardware, bathroom and kitchen hanging accessories, and many more. Quality assurance. Design Award and Certificate. Participating in world-famous design awards demonstrates Hanlixn's will to innovate. So by not only participating but winning design awards, Hanlixn has demonstrated the outstanding quality of its innovation capabilities. Products. Snap suction hook. No drilling, no screws, no nail, no tools are required. Easily relocated, reusable, no marks, no holes. Snap hook particularly benefits those who live in a rented space. They are not allowed or are unwilling to drill holes in walls and can't do a whole lot to transform the area, but they can use snap suction hooks to hang personal items that could be like adding convenience. Tablet stand. Ergonomic design, easy to assemble, to install, to use, and to detach. Kitchen organization. Get everything off the counter. Besides making space in the cabinets, keep frequently used utensils and other cookware essentials within reach. Choose between a variety of racks that can be mounted on a wall. Great for freeing up valuable counter space while maintaining a tidy and more functional kitchen. Bathroom organization. Vertical space. Hang-in-there bathrooms are notoriously space-challenged, but any wall offers triple the storage when you think vertical. There is always so much wall space and very little floor space. In the same way, Hanlixn offers a number of multi-purpose rails, towel rails, tissue dispensers, shower caddies and racks, baskets to keep toiletries and towels, soap and shower bottles within ready reach. Hanlixn magnetic hooks. Hanlixn magnetic hooks can be attached to most metal surfaces and used all around the house. Magnetic hooks are perfect for use in offices, kitchens, workshops, or the garage. Use them to post up pictures or daily schedules, memos on the refrigerator, or attach them to any other metal surface in the house to provide a convenient hanging spot for keys, small tools, decorative items, and more. Future Edge.